this video, we'll talk about what can you do if you have a conditional green card and you file for an extension, your 751, and now you have your 18 months extension. What are you going to do now? Well, watch this video and I'll tell you more. So I'm getting so many inquiries right now from people that have their conditional green cards. They filed for extensions. They got their 18 months extension paper, but now it's coming to an end. But guess what? Immigration is shut down. Everything is locked. How do you extend this? How do you maintain your status for work purposes, for any other purposes? It's a big concern for many people. And in this video, I'm going to address what you can do to resolve this issue and maintain your green card status when the extension is expiring. So for that, if you're here for the first time, first of all, welcome to our channel. I'm very grateful that you're here. Make sure you subscribe to our channel. Click that bell to be notified. We produce and release videos every single week. And also, give us that like. If you don't like the video, apparently YouTube is not going to show it to anyone, and it's too bad, right? Nobody's going to see that information. So my name is Jacob Sapochnick, and I am an immigration attorney. I'm based in San Diego, California, and we practice immigration in all 50 states. We help clients just like you to resolve their immigration issues, provide information, and help you stay informed, especially during these crazy corona time, pandemic, uncertainty, and that's why we're doing all these videos. So let's talk about solutions for green card holders that are currently, filed their 751 removal of conditions applications, and they receive this 18 months extension. It's an automatic extension, but that extension is coming to an end. And typically what people do is they'll make an appointment with USCIS, they'll go down to the local office, they'll get a stamp in their passport. It's called an I-551 stamp. With that stamp, it's a 6 months extension, and they're going to be able to stay in the U.S. with the 6 months extension, and until they either get an interview or the green card is approved in the mail. But now, USCIS is shut down. They're shut down until June 4th at the moment, and who knows, maybe it's going to be extended further. So what do you do? So according to guidelines that we received from USCIS, one of the things that you can do is you can call them and still make an appointment, because USCIS is still working. They're working, but they're not open for regular appointments. But you can call them and you can explain to them that you have this extension that is about to expire, that your green card is about to expire, and that there is an emergent circumstances, something that is beyond usual. It could be something like, it cannot be just because your extension expired. It has to be something more than that. So typically it could be, you may lose your job because your job needs to verify your employment, right? So you need that for job verification. Or you need to travel internationally, there's something emergent, something with your family, you have to leave the US, and you won't be able to travel because you don't have a green card to prove that you have a permanent residency. So those two things could be good examples of what is an emergent circumstances that could basically convince the USCIS officer to give you an appointment where you can show up, even today, at a USCIS office and get that stamp in your passport. Now, it's really important to make sure that your 18 months extension is not going to expire. So even if you don't get an appointment, you have to at least try to document that you try to call USCIS maybe by phone or write to them requesting an appointment to extend your extension. We're hoping that USCIS is going to reopen on June 4th, and therefore it's not too far away from now, and people are going to be able to get normal extensions. But if you are needing an extension right now and USCIS is shut down, I would call USCIS and give them a few reasons, whether it's a job that is at stake, or you need to travel, or maybe some sort of medical issue that you have. But try it. It definitely it's worth to try calling them and trying to get that appointment to be able to get the stamp. So hopefully that answers the question. We have a lot of people that are actually asking that question. They're concerned as to how they can stay in the US when their extension is about to expire. So that's just one way to do that, by calling USCIS and letting them know that you have some sort of a situation that is beyond just the fact that the extension is expired, and then try to get the appointment. And once you have an appointment, then it's so easy. They will just stamp your passport for another 6 months, and will give you some peace of mind, whether it's at work or any other thing that you need a green card to verify that you're a green card holder. So hopefully this information is helpful. I know a lot of people are asking that question, so that video should be used to answer the question. And I'm gonna, if you know somebody who is in that situation, please share the video with them. And if you're here for the first time, subscribe to our channel. Once again, click that bell to be notified. And also, we have a Facebook group that is a private Facebook group. We started it about a month ago. It's a safe place for people to talk about immigration, to share concerns like that, and share your experience. We answer questions there every single day. So make sure you join that group. The link is in the description of that video, and I want to see you there. I want to continue to engage with you even outside of YouTube in this video. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the other side.